do is take the piss out of me.
So much material.
Says the person that takes 3 days to get ready. Aston Martin versus cows. Do you want me to shoot them?
They'll get bored in a minute. Bullocks, as it were.
Come on!
Oh, that'll confuse them. Red car each side. Red car sandwich.
Bye!
There you go, beef sandwich.
Bye girls! Alright! We're going up to Culver to see a portal. Is there only one?
Maybe two.
Maybe
Just
two
have to check it
portals.
out.
Ingress.
At least. Actually, I reckon the lifeboat station could be one as well. You know, out on the pier down in Penridge.
Oh yeah, that's historic, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's permanent as well. It's not going anywhere.
Ah.
Yes, go check that out.
Ingress is so much fun.
Penridge 4, which I believe was open to the public last Tuesday for a guided tour.
Awesome.
Always a fucking Tuesday. Twice a year.
Get over. You, Jesus
Good.
Christ, how can you even fit in? I can't.
Did you just were you?
Yes, I did. Because I'm a bitch. There's a car behind us. Bye.
Full signal.
Log on established. Downloading latest intel package. Welcome back.
Welcome back, Kuket.
Yep.
Oh my god, it's neutral! Do you want it?
Oh, it keeps coming in now.
Oh, I'm out of it.
I hack it, you deploy, because I've...
Yay!
Resident deploy portal online. Good work.
Is that it?
Resident deployed. Exit reserves at 8%.
40%? Fuck off. I just 3 dots and I joined them up. How difficult?
100% XMP. XMP. Portal key. 1 resident. XMP. XMP.
So all of these portals were uncaptured. And we got them all. And we're going to link them all.
Right, I seem to have run out of resonators.
You've run out of resonators. Oh, for fuck's sake.
I can't hack it because it's hot.
You've let the team down. We take Ingress so seriously. I can't even see anything. All I can see is the reflection of myself.
XM reserves.
No key for portal.
Right, so you reckon that the lifeboat station...
Link crosses an existing link. Oh, I can't.
It doesn't cross an existing link at all.
I was doing another one. Oh, so it claims I haven't got the key to the basket, but I just hacked it and got the key.
I think maybe the server just needs to sort its shit out personally. Pilot in only has 3 resonators in it at level 2. lovely.
That space in front.
I know.
So wide open. What a cruising machine.
Your agent here clears it as this was cleared in Amsterdam.
My neck.
Gothenburg and Amsterdam.
It's fine though.
It's the way it goes round. There's a North Atlantic conveyor. We watched it going past on the ship. You watched it.
Such a
Oh my lord.
got a video.
All the way on top again.
My mother and dad both love to sing.
That's right. You've got to be organised.
It's like the stuff of nightmares. This white bullet.
I've watched Saxondale, Steve Coogan, because he had a car, a yellow Mustang, I think.
Christ.
This is just mince.
That is possibly the most stunning tag I've ever seen in my life.
The spray job's just...
It's incredible.
Dashboard spotless.
I know, that's what I was thinking, like,
Carpet.
we'll take two.
This one I went to...
Mini! 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I can't get.
Wow. That's a lot of minis.
It's a mini adventure.
Yeah, well, I might need them there.
First time, what are you moaning about?
I love the sound they make. They're very distinctive. A lot of mini owners are quite young, aren't they? They're like an
Because they're
affordable
cool,
classic.
yeah. Look at that paint job.
I never put it on my face anyway, but I usually have my hat on, but I don't think yes, and you know, but you can't I didn't terribly like
This is fantastic. It's a bit hard not to, like, you know, you can't really help but listen to some things.
It's classics now, 1986.
As old as me.
There's a black one that used the camera.
I suppose.
You know, the two crazy
Yeah.
Japanese ones.
Yeah.
Turbocharger with rocket and stuff.
That was cool. See, that's on my bucket list. I have a very short bucket list, but that's on Faithless Girl, yeah, or Gumball.
Yeah, Jason's done Gumball a couple of times. In fact, that's how he met these American guys that were over today.
Really?
Yeah. He's doing one in America.
The sun's come out again. Yeah. Well, I think if it wasn't for the wind, it would be boiling again.
Yeah, that's true.
Again, you see? Yes, yeah, I would see it.
Oh,
Perfect. Did you see that comment? Did you see the Zach Dingle comment?
Mike! Mike! Smile!
Not more. Hold on.
Perfect.
I didn't know the Wurzels were still going.
Strong beard, strong. I know, it's crazy, isn't it? Oh, there's lots of cars and very little space. If Dad isn't here, or hasn't been here, he's going to be gutted. He'd love this.
Actually, it doesn't need to be.
I was going to say,
It could just look hot. It doesn't have to be in the booth. I think the rest of your family and friends as well. What should do? We have to post this picture on Robson.
You did go around there quite quick. There is no better place to have a car show than on a beach. It's beautiful. Can you imagine, like, if it was the middle of August when it's supposed to be hot, so for us, mid-July, just sunbathing and then to like cool down, you go for a wander, look at the nice colours, and then because you're only wearing a bikini, you can roll around, you probably burn, but...
It's a good picture.
Exactly. Lovely.
The gear change.
Yes. We're going to go posing one last time.